Today, I'm traveling to another state with my husband to visit my high school friend, and I'm so excited for this trip.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lorraine. I'm a Filipina living in the United States. For today's video, I will be traveling to another state with my husband to visit my high school friend. I will be sharing our trip, exploring the area, and some fun together. So let's start this travel vlog. Mag-breakfast ba tayo sa after natin sa plane?
If you want, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna eat once you get there. If you want, you can get something on the way, like drive-through.
Drive-thru. Kasi maaga tayo tapos gugutumin tayo.
If you want to get something, I just said yeah, you can get something.
Sige. Okay.
Puro romantiqueo, baby. Quisiera ser un pez para poner mi nariz.
Saan tayo kakain, Habi?
Steakhouse. Steak, same place as last time.
Miss kita. Miss you.
Yeah? You miss me, I just want to eat. Gutom ka lang. Ang aso. You want to eat.
Miss you.
What is that? Ikaw talaga.
A few moments later.
Ang pagi naman ng Habi. Gusto ko gantong salamin. My baby.
We're in a new condo, okay?
Sa new condo natin.
We'll get done with 2 sinks.
2 sinks.
I can have my own bathroom.
Ganito.
Microwave.
Pero hanggang ganyan lang yung ilaw nila. Gusto ko din ng gantong salamin. Okay. Utang. Grabe yung nila, yung bed nila parang rose. Ang punong-puno na Hello. Kumusta?
Okay naman. Ito, nag-aano lang kami na gumagawa ng kimchi.
2:45 tayo gigising. 2:45 a.m. Ang aga pala. Sige. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Ingat. Bye-bye. So, I'm just gonna do my skincare, but before that, I'm gonna remove my makeup first before washing my face. Kanina nagpabili ako sa husband ko ng wipes for face. Gusto ko yung salamin nila dito. Ang laki. Gusto ko ng gantong salamin. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys the rest room. So yan, ganito kalaki yung salamin na gusto ko. Yes!
I'm gonna eat chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah, sure. Kainin niyo daw yung chocolate chip cookies. Gusto ko yung towel nila. Like, so cute. Sarap? Sarap daw. Masarap daw yung cookies. Ang ginawa ko. Char. Sana okay naman siya. So, meron siyang soothes skin and gently removes makeup. Let's see. Let's see. Mabango. Bango naman siya. I always start on my forehead like this. And hindi ko siya masyadong dinidiin kasi baka mag-irritate sa face ko. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, facial wash. So far, okay naman nag-work yung Cetaphil na to sa akin. So, ngayon, ito na yung ginagamit ko na moisturizer. Kasi winter. Pero, ba't ako nagkakatimpo?
You put those cords in your, remember I told you it's in your bag?
Yeah.
Cords? Thank you.
We finally arrived safely. I'm so relieved because I always get worried when traveling by plane.
Gutom na ako.
Parking. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Welcome aboard the ATL Skytrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway.
Oh my G! Grabe.
Yung cord.
Cord? Okay. Sakit ng ulo ko doon. Gusto ko na matulog. Here. Kasama ba yung black? Ay! Tanggal. Yan lang ba?
I can already say that the weather here in Atlanta is much better than in New York City. It feels warmer and more relaxing. My husband will be driving for about 2.5 hours to my friend's house, so we still have a bit of a road trip ahead of us. We were starting to get hungry, so we decided to grab lunch first since the drive is still quite long. We ate at Chili's and the food was really good. It was actually my first time eating at Chili's, so that made it extra fun. I am so excited to see my friend again. The last time we met was 2 years ago when she and her husband had a 2 week vacation in the Philippines. We had such a great time together. Now we're finally here and we are ready to enjoy our day doing the things we love. It's only a short visit, just 2 days, so we want to make the most of it.
This is your house, right?
Yeah, wait
Are
lang.
you sure?
Tanungin ko si Say.
Huh? May video mo. Ito. Labas
Wait
kasi.
lang.
I'm sure I got everything. Does she know? Make sure.
Dito na kami.
Nakita namin kayo.
This is the right place.
Ayun sila.
Is it okay if we park here? Nice neighborhood, man. Where's the bar at? Where's the bar at? Oh, you don't?
I mean, we drunk some stuff her brother made before, but it was because I was trying to be nice. He was like, what are you talking about, Marty? This is hot.
It is. Good to see you again.
Late mo pa din.
Oo nga.
Good to see you. Yeah, come on in. Yeah, it's quite a neighborhood.
She's my high school friend and we shared so many good memories back then. We really had the best time during our high school days. By the way, she's a big anime fan. As for me, I also love anime because it's such a big part of my childhood memories. And honestly, I still enjoy watching it now. So, let's start the day by exploring her hobbies together.
Can you play? Ruby!
Ayaw naman nang gumalaw.
Gutom yata.
May
Ay,
pagkain
ito,
pa
ito
siya.
yung food niya.
Mm-mm.
Hello?
Katukan mo yung ano. Ganun-ganun niyo.
Eat. Can you eat? Eat. Eat. Parang iinom siya. Ay, yung tubig niya.
Oo. Yun yung tubig niya.
Uy, nagtago na siya. Shy daw siya. Why are you hiding? Saan mo dadaan yung food? Dito?
Oo. Alisin mo lang ito.
Yan.
Tsaka doon sa kapila.
Ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Huwag kang tumalo na. Baka magano kami.
Sam-Sam! Oh, no, not Sam-Sam, Ruby. Sam-Sam kasi yung last hamster ko eh, kaya ganyan.
Ang pula ng mata niya.
Mm-mm.
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Baka tatalon.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I know you like it. I know you like it.
Ang arte naman niya.
Come on. Come on. You don't want it?
Nabusog pa siya.
Baka busog pa.
So picky. Ayun, kinakagat niya. Ay, galing. Galing naman. Cute.
Pwede may baba.
Ang cute naman.
Sabi ko na eh, mas gusto yung wafer kaysa sa ano eh, sa prutas eh.
Ay, ayaw niya yung prutas.
Ay, sa blueberry.
Ay, sorry na. Hindi na kita istorbohin. Kumain ka na. Ang cute naman kumain.
Kaya eh. Close ko lang to.
Explain to me, sino yung character na to?
Tapos isuot mo yung ano, isuot mo
Yung-
yung nasa ano, yung sa...
Alin?
Isuot mo yung isang cosplay ko, dali-dali. Madali lang isuot yun, dali.
Alin
Wait
yung...
lang, alisin ko to. Madali lang ano yun. Madali lang isuot yun. Wait lang.
Parang pogi ko naman dito. Hi, girls.
Gaji. Wait lang.
Hi, girls. Ito na yung ano niya, dream boy. Kilig na kilig eh.
Yan.
Okay, asan na ba sila? Ano? Asan na sila?
Dito. Dito sila. Dito sila.
sit when I'm home.
You wanna see a surprise, guys?
Let's go. We're going back. We're taking that wig with us now. We borrow that.
Saan na ba yung akin? Ay. Ayan. Okay. Bato week muna tayo. Sino ako na? Bato week. Wait! Sige, sige. Oh my gosh. There we go.
Hindi siya pwedeng dumikit. Hindi pwedeng dumikit sa ano.
Okay, wait lang. Sige.
Tapos ka na!
Ayaw, tapos na ako.
Tapos na, nag-win ka na. Nag-win ka na. You
Oh
won.
my
You won the
God.
match.
Ano ba?
Game na.
Iba naman yung laruin natin. Ang cool naman nito. Oh, gusto mo yung ibang puzzle? Wala lang yung kukunin natin. To, kaso maliliit din. Kaya ba? Sige. Brush. Yung brush. Maliliit din yung ano niya. Kailangan natin brush. Table. Wait lang. May ano ka? Maliit ka na table? Oo. Hindi siya maliit.
Matagal na siya.
Oo, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Pero pwede kong alahin ng mga colors. Saan hindi pa tuyo itong mga to? Tingnan natin kung hindi pa tuyo.
Feeling ko tuyo na. Wait.
Feeling ko okay lang siya. Tuyo na nga.
Kasi bitin namumuo na siya. Namumuo na siya.
Pwede tayo mag-mix ng colors.
Baka pwede natin basain ng tubig.
Mag-mix na lang tayo ng colors kasi meron naman dito. Ang dami. Pag binasama mo yan, nahihirapan ka.
Oo nga, no. May ano na siya, tuyo na siya. Tuyo na.
Ito, pwede tayo mag-mix ng colors.
Ay, ang dami. Wow.
Yan yung ginagawa ko. Kaya may mga ganito. Mix tayo ng colors. Gayahin natin yung mga colors dito. Okay ba?
Yeah, okay.
Yan.
Ayun. Medyo luminaw na yung mata ko.
Bakas
Luminaw na yung paningin ko.
Ingat ka sa buhok mo ha. Baka maano yung paint sa buhok mo.
Oo nga.
Okay. Gagawin ko nun yung ano. Yung number 10.
Kunwari, kilay to.
Kilay. Lala. Kaya mo yan. Kunwari kilay mo yan. Hindi pwedeng maano. Hindi siya pwedeng
Lumagpas, char.
Hindi siya pwedeng lagpas-lagpas.
Gosh, ang hirap pala. Sobrang liit.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Ba't ito yung kinuha mo?
Hindi ako bumili na ito sa Bray. Alam niya lang kasing ano, mahilig ako mag-paint.
Challenging. Masyadong challenging. Wala bang pang beginner? Ang bilis ah. Parang sanay na sanay ka na. Meron ka na ba natapos na isang ganito?
Meron na. Gusto mo makita.
Sige, sige.
Ito oh. Ito oh. Ito.
Yan yan.
Oo.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Ayun po. Ayun po.
Ayun pa.
Sa
Ang dami
taas.
na pala. Parang gusto ko din. Happy, bili mo ako. Ay.
Kaya tinatakpan yung tenga mo eh.
Oo.
We didn't really go out because it was only a 2-day visit, and we just wanted to enjoy our time together at my friend's house. Honestly, these quiet moments at home felt more special, and she even gave me a lot of girly stuff, so sweet of her. I wasn't able to film what we ate, but she cooked for us, and everything was so delicious. We had a mix of Korean and Filipino food, and it truly felt like a comfort meal. The next day, Saturday, we all watched a movie together before getting ready for our little cosplay activity. It was such a fun and cozy way to spend the day.
Pag-reveal na. Ew. Parang bagay sa'yo ah. Ew. Nice. Parang bagay sa'yo ba?
The enemy has like... Ano yung may katana ka? Itong white, siguro. Okay lang, be?
Oo.
Get ready!
May bumagay sa'yo, babe.
Nana? Nana? Ay, anong pangalan ng character?
Si Rem.
Rem.
Uy, bagay sa'yo, babe. Bagay siya sa'yo.
Get ready! Ching, 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 ching.
Uy, alisin mo yung ano. Alisin mo yung ano. Picturean kita.
Ang kulit.
Ito yung model ko. Ito yung model ko ngayon.
Paano mag-ano? Wait, mag-research tayo ng ano, ng tawag doon. Ng pose. Hindi ako marunong mag-pose eh. Paano ba? Paano ba mag-pose?
Gaya mo ako ito. Yun,
Ano?
nakaganyan. Ay, iganto mo yung paa mo.
Ganito?
Oh, tapos nakagana. Ay.
Hindi ka ba?
Parang ano? Dito. Mas okay pag pakit na. Pag magpakit ka na lang. Dito ka na lang. Oh. Dito ka na lang. Dito. Upo ka tapos naka-ano ka sa teddy bear. Huwag ka mag-sword.
Huwag na ako mag-sword.
Oo. Yan, upo ka. Tapos naka-ano ka sa teddy bear.
Tama ba itong ginagawa natin? 1, 2, 3. Sure. Wait.
Naka-video to.
Okay lang yan. I-screenshot ko na lang. I-screenshot ko na lang. I-screenshot ko na lang.
Tignan mo naman yung eyes ko.
Pero naano ko siya eh. Yung parang ano ko yung curl.
Maganda yung
niya.
yung curl
Oo.
na ginawa mo. Best. The best.
Ang liit.
Yung lang talaga, yung makeup ko lang talaga yung hindi maganda. Yan, pag ganun. Kaso wala akong ano.
Walang alin. Yung wig. Ano, mag-wig ka ba? Or
Huwag na.
hindi?
Okay na to, kulot na lang ako.
Ayun, ganito yung complete ano.
Tara, labas tayo dun. Tara, labas tayo, dali. Dali, lalabas. Dali. Labas yung mga cosplayer.
So, we're doing cosplay.
Tananan! Tan-tan!
Happy!
Let's go to the other side. Yeah, boy, you still awake? You still awake?
Don't put this on a website.
What the hell?
Ang cute ba eh?
Okay, we're going.
Tara, selfie tayo dito.
Okay, so I've decided that she's gonna get those.
Wait!
I can't wear them anymore.
Ano dito? Posting tayo. Paano ba? I-screenshot ko na lang yan sa ano, sa
Yeah, una ganito.
ganito.
Yan, ganyan. O kaya ganun ka na lang.
Ganyan.
Kasi mas cute yung sa'yo eh. Yung sa akin, pwede yung ganito.
Ganito.
Mm-mm.
Tapos,
Tapos, paano pa ba yung posing ng sa'yo?
ano? Ganon?
Yung sa akin ganito.
Sige, una ganyan. Gaganto ako. Okay, sige, 1, 2, 3. Tapos,
yung pa-heart. Yung pa-heart tayo.
heart.
Oo.
Ganyan. Pa-cute.
Mhm.
Tapos.
1, 2, 3.
Tapos,
ano pa ba? Yung kanina, yung ibalon mo yung sa'yo. Tapos yung
Ibalon.
sa akin.
ganito.
Oo. Yung. Oo,
Ganyan.
ganyan. Tapos,
Yung paa.
ganyan mo yung paa.
Ganito.
Oo.
Sige, ikaw.
Tapos ako, ano ba? Igaganon ko na lang.
Sige. Sige.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ano pa ba? Ayun, i-try natin gawin yung nakaganon.
Sige. Ganon? Nakaganon.
Nakaganyan.
Sige. 1, 2, 3. Tapos,
Tapos pwede din yung ganon.
ganon.
Itaas mo yung ano, yung paa.
Yung isang paa.
1, 2, 3, go. Ang lala. Kakaloka.
Kita yung ano ko. Pajama.
Okay na yan. We're not gonna cry. It's not like we're not gonna see each other.
That's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching and being part of these simple but meaningful moments. Living abroad can be challenging sometimes, but finding joy in friendships and small experiences makes everything worth it. We had such a beautiful time together, and I hope this video brought a little happiness to your day too.